Hi, my name is McKinley Rasmussen, and this is my final summary for Data 3300. For this project, I worked as a consultant for Aggie Investments to explore opportunities in the Nashville Airbnb market. I provided data-driven recommendations for investment decisions. Aggie Investments is exploring the Airbnb space in Nashville, and my goal was to analyze data from over 8,000 listings and help them decide what types of properties were the best to invest in. I decided to focus on identifying key property traits, price trends, and host characteristics that pointed towards good performance. The project was broken into 3 different phases. First, data cleaning and preparation, and then second, exploratory data analysis and visualization, and then lastly, modeling in order to show the data. I mostly use Google Colab as well as Python in order to differentiate and explore all of the data that was given to me. Okay, in the first phase, data preparation, I did a few different things here. First, I removed any personally identifiable information, so this included things like host names or IDs. Then I standardized formats, so any variables like price, bathrooms, things like that, I just created standard format across all of those. And then I created a new feature called Days as Host. And then lastly, I just checked for missing data and transformed variables that were skewing the data. When looking at different room types, I found that entire home/apartment listings consistently had higher average prices in comparison to other room types. There was a lot of price variability in the data, suggesting opportunity but also risk. The median number of reviews per listing was 31, which gave me a sense of listing popularity, and you can see all of this data in the table listed below. Now let's look at the way that prices are distributed. The box plot that I included shows the spread of nightly prices by room type. As we can see, entire homes have the widest price range, some going for over $500 per night. This is showing us that while there's profit potential, the investment also comes with volatility. To look at the comparison between popularity and price, I decided to include this scatter plot. I originally expected to see higher prices to correlate with fewer reviews, but the relationship was very weak. Superhosts did have slightly higher average prices, which led into deeper statistical testing. I ran some association rule mining to find patterns between different listing traits. I found that superhosts almost always have verified profiles and profile pictures. Listings that were available year-round and had good reviews were also more likely to be rated highly overall. Based on all of these insights, I would recommend that Aggie Investments focus on entire home listings, that they prioritize hosts who are verified and experienced, and lastly, that they target properties with a high number of positive reviews. These characteristics all appeared in top performing listings, and I think that following these recommendations would lead to an overall better investment for Aggie Investments. After analyzing all of this data, I think Nashville shows strong potential for short-term rental investments. Using data-driven insights like these can help investors to avoid risk, identify opportunity, and make more informed decisions. I think that overall, Aggie Investments would be wise to invest in these Nashville listings.